Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. That's right, and I continue to trade from Thailand right now, enjoying the life of choice. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen with the 500 pips per week club. That's right, 500 pips per week club, ladies and gentlemen. People have been asking for it. I've been sharing it so far. Great results since the turn of the year, as expected. I normally start off in gold, silver, then indices, but today I'm going to start with indices, the Aussie 200. Yeah, this here represents a day, ladies and gentlemen. There's something wrong there for some reason, but anyway, that's why. This represents a day. Yeah, this is today. This was yesterday. 1 hour time frame, normal candles. We have something called the money line. The money line is green, it should be up. We have this indicator here saying momentum should be up. Cross up. I'll have our MACD. Boom, shagala. Options you can get in just there or you go down a time frame. Yep, I'd be happy to wait for the second candle. Anyway, when I see that push up there, nice green, I would just take that. Let's get in there at the start there. That one, now my eyes are not the best, ladies and gentlemen. My eyes are not the best. But the Aussie 200, does that say 12794? So let's forget the 4, 1279. I'm going to use my calculator. They have these things in Scotland. 1279. I'm going to recommend you all get one when you learn to trade like Jeff. The target is 500 for the week. So therefore, today the target yesterday was only 100, but we smashed that already in the very first trade. Now, if you get into that trade, there, that goes the other side of the money line. Hallelujah, 5% growth. Can anybody see something they would like here? Well, the next one. The Nikkei 225, Japanese yen. Here we go, Nikkei. So let's see what we've got here. We've got our money line, first candle hour. Everything's above there. The MACD, momentum, exact same thing. Get in there now. The thing we've got, now this is an interesting thing for you here, ladies and gentlemen. In here, and we actually lose that trade. We get pushed down. See this here? This wick takes it out. So that there, depending on account size, if we were risking 1%, we've lost 1% on that one, just so you know. Now, the other thing I also do like to do, completely being honest with you, I like it down to either the 5 or the 15 minute from this time. Yeah, for a tighter entry. So let's got that there. Let's go to yesterday. So that was it there. Now, as soon as you see the first candle and you see the momentum, the second one, yeah. So there's 20 candles. In each candle, 5, yeah. So we can look at that there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20. Yep. New candle there. Boom. What's happened? We've had a cross. We've had a cross. Yeah. And this told us to buy. So at that point there, you could have been in right there. Thank you very much. And it just depends how you use this, ladies and gentlemen. Just depends how, because if you get in during that first part, you would have been stopped at that. You know, we're not want to do that. We want to get there. Before it starts reversing, 249. That was the Nikkei 225. 225. Now let's see the account growth. 249. The account growth percentage. Now, options for your stop loss. You could choose there. Now, I'm just very aware at this point, this was very, very wicky. So based on that, I could choose here. I've got to be honest, I'd probably put it below that wick there. Because it could be very wicky. And at this point, we're at 3.5%. Yeah. Later on, see what happens. You could potentially got more. But I'd be happy with that. So go back to the 1 hour time frame, just to remind you. Yeah, here we go. So that candle there, we get in the trade, we took a profit, boom, that's fine. Thank you very much. It's this one here, we get on that one here. Thank you very much. We'll do the exact same with this one too. Now the first candle, I just leave alone. Yeah, see the direction now. A few things I do. I'm actually expecting a buy. I'm looking for this to continue actually. I'm looking for the trend to go up. So I just wait. I wait. Could I potentially get in there? Yes, I could. I could wait to here. Those splits are there. And at this point here, I've got choices. Yeah. So from this point here, I would start looking. I would get in just before that candle there. Or ideally, actually, the break of that one. So what I'll do is I'll go down to the 5-minute time frame again. It's good that you understand this. It's good that you can see for yourself the power of the 500 pips per week club and what it can offer. Yeah. Now here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Enter there. Boom. Or even there. Or there. Yeah. It depends when you do it. Now, our target is actually only 0.5% per day. Now, there. You could get out at any of these points here. Now, I have a rule typically where if it goes wrong, the 2 red candles, I would exit the trade. Right there. Yeah. Small win, if anything. US oil. 1 hour time frame. That's the entry there. Now you see how we could have potentially got stopped out. So let's check. Because what we do is the first candle, we wait, we're expecting to buy. Wait for the second one. We go down a time frame, 5-minute time frame. Get that there. So wait for the first hour to finish. Boom, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 20 candles, boom, breaks through there, enter the trade. And to be honest, I'll probably exit the trade there. 3 pips again, nothing much to show. This to be completely honest with you. German 30. Uptrend. Why do we do a sell? Wait for it to break through. Comes through there. As part of that, you'd break, you go down to the 5-minute based on that one there. But if we didn't, for whatever reason, but let's do it properly. Let's do this properly. We do that there. We'll be down to the 5-minute time. All the 15, whatever of your choice. That's it there. Yeah. Wait for it to go above the line. Yeah. Wait to go above the line. At that point, would have been stopped out there. I'm completely honest, because I have a nice tight. However, we could get back in at that point there. So one loss there. This one here, back in there. How many pips? Oh, when it starts coming back down, and before you know it, you can see it coming down there. Let's call that 300 pips for round numbers, ladies and gentlemen. Risk to reward. Halfway down there, so that side there. 5.5%. So I lost 1%. Again, that's just, so I've lost 2% totally, but this is 5.5% German 30. Wow, absolutely smashing it today. So 300, 249, 1279, and we've still got lots. Standard and Poor's 500, ladies and gentlemen. Standard and Poor's 500. Have you seen enough? Have you seen the power of the 500 pips per week club? Again, it's up. We're expecting a buy. Boom. Does it give us that? Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. It goes to the moon. 2 red candles. Boom. 14 pips. S&P 500. Risk to reward. I'm not going to go down the time frame for this one. I'm just going to show you from there. That the other side of the money line, or even our special sauce there. 2 candles. Boom. 13%. Oh my God, 13% growth. Is anybody here starting to feel a little bit? Look at Standard and Poor's today. It's already producing the goods. The NAS. Boom. US 30. I can go on and on and on all day long, ladies and gentlemen. All day long I could do this. Let's look at risk to reward with this one. Sorry. Above the line, just there. Just below the line. We've got a special indicator to tell you to put it below there. How good is that? How powerful could that be? 6%. Thank you very much. 6% on US 30. Silver. Same thing. Over and over and over again. 1 hour time frame. That's it there. We had a big push down. We're expecting a sell. Yeah. Did it give it? It gave us the goods, ladies and gentlemen. It gave us the goods. First one went up. That point you would have been. Would you got in that one? Possibly not. You may have not gotten that one there. Could you get in this one here back? Yes, you could. And you'd have, to be honest, you'd have probably got all of that move there. You'd have probably got all of that move. But let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. Go back to yesterday. Let's find our target. This obviously goes to the other side of the line, just there. I would probably be in there or there, to be honest. The other side of the line. Up from 2 candles, 2%. And gold. I'm not going to bother counting the pips today, but I think you can see we've actually smashed that 500 pips per week club. That's today. Let's look at yesterday's, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at yesterday's 500 pips per week club. We're expecting a sell. Look, we're expecting a sell. Starts pushing back up, and you're a bit of surprise. A bit of surprise. Back consolidation. Then at that time of the day, around about 1 o'clock, it then pushes up. If we missed that one there, we could certainly got that one there. Now, so let's look at this here. There, it initially goes down. 12. Then back up there, 90, 80 pips. Thank you very much from gold. Risk reward. Again, I'm not going to go down to too much detail because but you see we've actually smashed it. 2 candles. You're actually stayed in the trade around a bit there. Stop loss. Tough one. I probably came down at a smaller time frame for that. Maybe even a 15-minute for this one. So put that there, just below that red line. Look at that. See how it protects us? Just there, it protects us. Yeah. Boom. What percentage is that? 5%. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, has everybody seen enough? Have you seen enough? This is supposed to be 500 pips per week, not 500 pips for one trading instrument per day. It's for everything, 500 pips a week. And you too can get involved. You too can learn to trade like Jeff. You know, I'm part of a much larger community, and we all trade together. Because what we do is we learn together and we trade together. And there are losses from time to time. We made 2% loss here, but the percentage gain was immense, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever you're doing, like this, comment, share, and I'll see you at the very top. Bye for now, and have a great day.